What's up, guys? Wait, we're doing this.
No, you're good.
Okay. What's up, guys?
We're here. We're at Islands of Adventure in Universal Studios, Orlando, Florida.
And
we are Soul Sisters Travel.
About to get on the VelociCoaster right behind us. Never been on it before. It just opened in June and heard great things about it.
Yeah.
Really nervous, really excited though.
Seen some videos, heard some things, but we haven't experienced it for ourselves yet.
Yes.
I'm a little nervous because I've heard this thing is super fast and by the looks of it, very tall, very high. So I'm excited. Come with us. We're gonna do all the stuff and then we'll let you know what we think afterwards. We're in the queue line for the VelociCoaster. This is pretty dope. Soul Sisters traveling right there. You got a posse of raptors chilling, straight chilling.
Loose articles are not permitted on VelociCoaster.
Dope.
Keys, wallets, phones.
Oops, I forgot. I'm supposed to be working. All right, we in the queue. I don't think I'm gonna get it. Dang it.
Director riders passing through metal detection. Any larger items, such as large backpacks, purses, and bags, must be left with a non-rider or
Oh, this is so cool. Hi. Could you imagine? Look at that. That's so awesome. Look at these guys. Oh, there's two missing though. There's two dinosaurs missing. Woo. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. Yes. All right, so we just got off of VelociCoaster. First time that we've ridden it, and I gotta say by far, this is my absolute favorite coaster, not only at Universal Studios, but I mean, like, that I've ridden so far.
Of all time, yeah. Originally, my favorite was Cheetah Hunt because I'm really big into launch coasters.
Yeah.
This one's way faster than Cheetah Hunt, way higher than Cheetah Hunt.
Woo!
I mean, and there's so much air time. Like, I was out of my seat so much during this.
I was lifted up a couple of times, but what I also really liked was that there was a cool little story behind it, so it wasn't like you're just hopping on a coaster just to go fast for the sake of going fast. You start off with the raptors on either side, and you're taking off, and it's really like a race with the dinosaurs. You'll see the dinosaurs throughout the ride, so it's nice little surprises here and there. I love the little roll over the water.
Yeah, that one was really crazy. And there's no over-the-shoulder restraints. It's just around here, but I felt completely safe.
Yeah.
Actually, I felt more secure without the over-the-shoulder restraints because it was blocking your sides. So I didn't feel like I needed something over my shoulders because I feel like that would create that jolting sensation.
Yeah. You also have a little bit of support underneath you, so your feet aren't just like free. Your feet are dangling, but you have a little bit of support underneath, so it just adds a little more sense of security. So yeah, loved it. 2 thumbs up.
Great.